Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the third day of 9-day 9 looks. Today as well I am being very simple yet maintaining the aesthetic of Navratri. So today I am wearing like a green top which has like a work like so, which goes perfectly with the Navratri, and I'm wearing like very simple Navratri jewelry. I have primed my face using the Evio Beauty Primer, and this is like a moisturizing primer, and I also filled my brows. Now I'm gonna jump into the foundation, and for foundation I'm gonna use NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, my current favorite, and I'm gonna apply it to my whole face. Took a generous amount. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now to set my whole base, I'm gonna use the Inika mineral powder. I'm in the shade Unity N2, and this is for the first time I'm gonna use this. So let's see how it performs on my skin. I'm actually gonna take some on the back of my hand and just see how it performs. It has a shimmer in the formula, which I don't mind because of the Navratri. And now I'm gonna contour, blush and highlight my face quickly. And for that I'm gonna use my Holy Grail Sivanna Colors Ultra Blush Palette. Now comes the eyes, and for my eyes I'm gonna use the same Comfort Zone palette which I have used in so many videos. It's the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette, and I'm gonna just do my base and transition and everything with this color. As usual, nothing new. I love that color. And it looks beautiful. Now I'm gonna go and take this brown shade, this one, and just deepen my outer V. It looks beautiful. I think I'm gonna mix this one as well because this is like my current favorite shade, and just try to deepen my outer V more. It looks beautiful. I know it's going same like previous video, but trust me, it's not the same. Like the color palette, the color combination, everything is gonna be a little bit different. Yeah, now they look same. Now, as I said in my previous video that you can go with any color, but then I went with golden. So today I'm gonna go with this olive green color and apply it to all over my lid. I think I have done this makeup look so many times in my channel and I'm so obsessed with that look. I just changed the color of the eyeliner and I'm all good. It looks beautiful. I don't know what's with the lighting and the camera, but it looks very beautiful in natural light, like in real life. It turned out so beautiful. Now I'm gonna take this golden shade and just do my inner corners with my fingers. And it looks beautiful. I feel like fingers are the best for makeup, like to blend it. It looks beautiful. Now I'm gonna line my eyes and do mascara, and then comes the interesting part, so wait for it. Now I'm gonna line my lower lash line with the NYX pencil, and this is in the shade gypsy blue. I bought this recently, and trust me, like since the day I bought and today I'm applying it every day. You can see it by the condition. So I'm gonna do my lower lash line with this one. And can you see how beautiful the color is? It's actually from the same family as my background is, like the same color palette. Looks beautiful. I'm just gonna smoke out a little bit, like I'll just smudge it out a little bit to give that like a little soft smoky effect. Okay. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, apply mascara and apply fake lashes, and I'll be back in a while. So I went off camera and I applied lashes. Lashes are from Real Tasty Lashes, and the lash is in the variant Clementine, if I'm pronouncing it right. And I did use the Duo brush on adhesive, which has vitamin E. And they look beautiful with the look, and I thought if it's simple I should go for like something different. So I did Bindi, applied sindoor and wore my all the jewelry, and now I'm gonna do my hair and lipstick. And for lipstick I'm gonna go with Lakme 925 in the shade MP7 Rosy Sunday, and this is prime plus matte range, and it's my favorite range from Lakme till now. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this nude shade. I think this look is very simple, pretty wearable, and yeah, I'm gonna do my hair and quickly come back again. So I'm just gonna keep them open, and because tomorrow I have to do some other hairstyle, so they'll be pretty simple. I'm gonna wear like a plain skirt and normal plain dupatta because I wanted to do something very basic and wearable and not too much. Since like the Navratri has just started, so I wanted to go with something very simple and wearable. So like more different looks will be coming, which will be kind of heavy, but it will be fun to watch. And I'm still left with 6 more videos and like 6 more looks. So pictures will be on the Instagram and you will be notified whenever I upload new video. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. I know this is wearable, very simple, and lashes are optional. Otherwise also the eyes looks fine. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and stay tuned for more videos.